If you're going to do film sessions with your players, the normal way to do it would be to make a DVD or make a tape from your cut-ups, bring your TV screen in with your DVD player or your VCR, and use that to do your film sessions with your players. You're kind of standing there with the remote control, going through each play one at a time. But we've developed what's called the QuikScout Film Room, which allows you to do your film sessions right from your computer. And it actually gives you a lot of control over the plays, more than you would if you were just standing there with that TV and that remote control. So I'm going to go ahead and go in. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create an edit, something that I'm going to want to do with my players. So I'll go into Digital Editing Scouting. I'll choose my game, and I'll go Video. And again, I'm going to go through and find all the plays that were shots. Let's see. Actually, let's use the shots missed, the one I was using earlier. So I'll add that to my search, and I'll hit search, and it's going to give me 6 plays that match that. Now, instead of creating a movie or hitting play here, I'm going to go down to this clipboard export button, and I'm going to click on that. When I do that, it's going to ask me for a name or a description. So I'm going to type shots missed. Go ahead and hit save. And now what I'll do is I'll bring my players in, and I'll plug my computer into my projector, and I'll open up what's called my film room. Now when I do that, I'm going to get my shots missed one that I just created. Then I'm going to hit select. What's going to open now is a window that's got thumbnails down the left side of the screen that represents each one of those plays, along with a video window here in the middle that those plays will play on. So if I want to watch play 1, all I have to do is click on it, and there it is. If I want to start it over, I just click on it again and it starts over. If I want to jump down to play 3, I jump down to play 3. So imagine, you're the coach, you're sitting in front of your laptop or in front of your desktop, with your players there. You're working at the computer and they can see everything you're doing, so you're not worrying about turning your back. You're not worrying about fast forwarding or rewinding and losing their attention. Everything you do is pretty much instant. So let's say I jump to play 4. At any time I can pause this if I want. Let's say I pause it right there. Now I can use this button to go forward 1 frame at a time. I can use this button to go backwards 1 frame at a time. So it might be a way for you to look at your team, make sure they're positioned in the right place and they're doing what they're supposed to be doing. Again, you can kind of go through it. And if I kind of go through this one a little bit, we can pause this as we get closer to the goal. So let's get it playing here. So we'll pause it, say right here, so I can actually go forward if I want to. I can go backward. And now at any time I can click the Start Drawing button. And now with my mouse, I can draw right on the screen. So you've got the annotating capabilities with your mouse as you're doing this. So it makes it a little bit more powerful than just standing there with a VCR and a remote, as I said. That would be the QuikScout Film Room portion of the QuikScout Soccer program.